Hello, welcome to the seventh session of Android programming. The topic to be covered is configuring the installed tools, creating Android project Hello World, running on a emulator and deploy it on USB connected Android device. So objective of this topic is understanding the configure installation, to learn creating a new project, and to run emulator. The first point is configuring the install tools. First of all, you have to check the website for SDK, that is from the developer website for Android, for android.com. Then install Eclipse software into the system. Install Android SDK from Android libraries. Install ADT plugin, that is Android development tool. Then create AVD, that is Android virtual device, and now you are ready for the installation. Next point is create an Android project in Eclipse. The procedure is go to the File tab, New, Project. Select Android project, fill the project details. It goes something like this. This is a screenshot what we have taken, wherein the project name is Hello Android, and then the other details will be almost automatically be filled by default, wherein you have shown the Java package, the class to automatically created, that is the class. The name appears, whatever you're going to type as a project name, the same name comes as the application name. And over here, the workspace, create a new workspace and create a new project in workspace is already ticked. Next, third point is running the Android application on emulator. So here you have to click on the run button, select the Android application. Emulator may take few minutes to start, so wait till then. You need not restart the emulator once again. The emulator will look somewhat like this. So you have to run it and the system will run the program. So the files whatever are stored is normally shown like this. Here the hello android.java is a source code. Auto-generated code is stored in r.java, and UI layout is stored in the main.xml. String constants will be stored in string.xml. All the configurations and the structure, how the files are stored, is shown in this particular slide. This is a sample program whatever is being created, hello android.java. As I've shown you in the previous slide, hello android.java, the source code, that itself is over here. So this is the source code of the Android sample program, Hello World. Thank you.